Today we're showing you a 2003 Kubota B7500 four-wheel drive tractor. It's a tractor, has just under 1,000 hours, does come with the LA272 quick attach front loader. Tractor's in nice shape. It came in from a local village here. It's got a few scuffs and scrapes as you would expect from a tractor in this age range, but overall is a very nice presentable tractor. Mechanically the tractor runs and works well. There are no known mechanical issues with the machine. The rear axle has been repaired at some point. Looks like they had busted a hole in that axle at some point, so that has been repaired. That was not us. That was that way when it came in, and it looks like has been that way for quite a while. So it has not dripped oil or seeped or anything like that. So that all seems to be a-okay. Overall, again, nice clean tractor, runs and works well. It is one of our budget-friendly tractors, so it will sell as is, where is. It does have the hydrostat transmission, the 2 pedals there for forward reverse. 993.3 on the current hours. A lot of tractor for under 10,000 here. If you're in the market for a cheaper tractor, certainly well worth a look. Any questions, please contact us at maskedtractor.com.